I shall bid you good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Before we proceed, I want to make sure that you remember all the rules. You do not speak until you are spoken to. We must behave ourselves at all times. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You do not yawn in class, boy. Sit up straight.
Victorian schoolroom discipline was strict.
Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Remember that.
One rule was particularly significant.
Now then, your parents send you to school and they hope that you will come out of school being able to speak English fluently. We do not speak Welsh in school.
Learning English was seen as a passport to a better way of life. The Welsh knot was hung around the neck of any pupil caught speaking Welsh. Passed from child to child, whoever was left wearing it at the end of the day would be punished. Jack and Ella will have to mind their language.
Jack, 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 Jack. Pick up your blotting paper, please, and wipe that off the floor. Suck it up. Don't just spread it out. Just put the blotting paper down and let it be sucked up into the paper. If you must slouch about, that is what happens. Do not lean forward on your desk. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Ink is not cheap, boy.
Leah is unfazed by the Victorian schoolmaster.
He's fine, as long as you're good. And he probably is a nice guy, but because of the schools back then, he probably has to be mean.